Hello, all. Myself Professor Girish Nole. I'm working as Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering Department of AI Systems IYT. Today, I'm here to explain you the lexical analyzer and how it identifies the token category. Now, what is exactly token? Token is nothing but a sequence of character and to, what is its type? Type means whether it is any logical operator, whether it is any particular word file, whether it is a type of identifier, whether it is a type of function, bracket, etc. So in this assignment, we are going to see how lexical analyzer is going to check the type of particular token. Okay, so here you can see basically we are opening a file pointer. Here, this is a particular main execution part where we are just opening a particular file. So this file pointer fp, this file pointer is opening a particular file, and that particular file we are reading in a read mode. Now this yn is equal to fp. Let's see this abc.java. So in this abc.java, we have written a particular Java file where we have written a particular code, and that code we are going to read in a read mode. Now yn is equal to fp. Yn is equal to fp is nothing but a file pointer where we are assigning a file pointer to read the particular Java file. Now this file pointer, after assigning this file pointer, we are using ylx command. So ylx command is a execution, we can say it's an execution point of lexical analyzer where it is starting to read that abc.java file in read mode, and it is starting to identify the category of token. Now this integer ywrap return 1. Why it is return 1? It is given. So whenever we are at the particular end of particular file, after the to detect the end of the file, we are just return 1. So it is showing key it is now end of the file. So here after this, you can see here this first part, percentage and percentage. This part, this is nothing but a declaration part. This is nothing but a declaration part where we can declare all our variables or header files of a particular program. So this is only we are using studio.h. There is no variables as such here, as we are going to encounter only the type of tokens. So we are using percentage. Now this is actually rule match part. We can say it is checking the category. It is checking the category of a particular tokens, and after detecting identifying the category, it is just displaying its type. So let's see this percentage part. So here, if we are getting in our Java file private keywords such as private, public, protected, system, out, class, Java, language, static, new, main, import, void, return, print, it will print as a keyword. Okay, so these are the keywords, and it will detect that this is a YY text, that means private is a type of keywords. So now private is one token and its type is keyword. Now second part, if it is getting this is a regular expression part. So if it is encountering any at the rate as hash, star, ampersand, this kind of invalid identifiers, it will just print key. It is an invalid identifier starting with the symbols. If any symbols are starting, it will show that it is an invalid identifier. For example, 9 int. So this is not an invalid identifier, or any other character which is starting with symbol. It will treat as an invalid identifier. Now this and or part, and these are nothing but if it is encountering, these are the logical operators. So it will show that this is the token and its type is logical operators. Third one, bitwise operator. So if it is getting only single ampersand, less than, greater than, relational operators like this, so it will show it is a particular relational operator or a bitwise operator. If it is getting equal sign, so it will show it is a assignment operator. This is comment part. We know we are writing comments in Java, so it is also a token, and it will show that it is a comment part. 0 to 9 plus dot 0 to 9, it's a decimal value. So if you are taking any 10.23, so before point here, you can see any 0 to 9 number can be there, or after dot, any 0 to 9 number can be there. So it is treating it as a decimal value. If it is getting integer, character, data types, so it is showing it is a data type part. If it is getting A to Z or small a to z or upper a to z or small a to z, it is showing the character constants. If it is getting small a to z or any other number string constant, it will consider as a string constant. Arithmetic operator, plus, minus, multiplication, division, if it is getting, it is showing it is a arithmetic operator like this. So if it is getting any bracket, it will show it's a bracket. If it is getting any functions, a function, that means a particular function name and bracket is there, it will show that it is a function. After that, if it is getting a to z plus any a to z optional part, it will show identifier. It will show it as an identifier. So likewise, it is just matching. Now if it is getting delimiter, it is showing the delimiter is a token and its type is delimiter. Separator is also a token, it is showing it is separator. Likewise, if it is multi-line comment, it will show it is a multi-line comment. So this is a matching part where it will match with the particular Java file, and it will check all the category of the tokens, and after identifying the character tokens, it will show its type. So this is basically a type program where we are identifying the tokens, and we are displaying its category by matching it with every cases. So in this is the program where we are opening a particular Java file, reading that tokens, and we are just displaying its category and category one by one. And YYRF is encountering after the end of the file we are writing YYRF. So this is all about lexical analyzer, how it identifies the tokens and its type.